Flagler Beach. We made it. There's a skate park here, babe. Would you mind if I hit it for like 15 minutes?
15 minutes?
Just 15 minutes.
Just 15 minutes.
That's it. It's 6 minutes away. It's fire.
Okay.
Just 15 minutes, babe. Then we'll go to the beach.
Okay.
Enjoy yourself.
Okay.
All right.
15 minutes.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
This place is fire. Look at that thing. I don't know what that is.
15 minutes, babe.
Okay. Once I get this trick, we'll go, babe, okay?
Okay. It's been 20 minutes, Cole.
Nah.
Yes, it has.
No. Just 15 more. I gotta land that now, babe. Can't leave until I land it. How long was that?
An hour and a half.
Right on time. Well, we made it, babe.
Yes!
Looks like it might rain. That is not a good sign. I don't know. I say we just call it. Go home.
What?
Yeah. Go.
I'm never going to the skate park with you again.